Welcome back to Auto Street. Today we're diving into something truly special, a modern reinterpretation of a legend. This is the 2025 BMW 2002 Ti, a car that blends the past and future in one sleek, high-performance package. If you're a fan of classic BMWs, this one's going to hit you right in the nostalgia while offering all the modern tech and engineering that make today's cars faster, safer, and more exhilarating to drive. Let's take a trip back to where it all started. The original BMW 2002 Ti debuted in the late 1960s and quickly became a symbol of driving purity. It was lightweight, agile, and packed with a fuel-injected 2.0-liter engine that gave it impressive speed for its time. It was the car that put BMW on the map as a brand that knew how to make an engaging sports sedan. But now, in 2025, BMW has decided to bring this icon back with a modern twist. At first glance, the new 2002 Ti stays true to its roots. The design is unmistakably inspired by the original, with clean, boxy lines, round headlights, and a compact two-door silhouette that screams driver's car. But take a closer look, and you'll see the modern touches. A sleek LED lighting signature, aerodynamic enhancements, and aggressive wheel arches that hint at the power hidden beneath the hood. BMW has done an incredible job of capturing the essence of the old 2002 while giving it a futuristic edge. Speaking of power, let's talk performance. The 2025 BMW 2002 Ti is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, much like its predecessor but heavily updated for modern performance. This engine delivers around 320 horsepower, sending power to the rear wheels through either a 6-speed manual or an optional 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. BMW knows its audience. This is a car built for enthusiasts, and that means a proper manual transmission for those who love the pure connection between driver and machine. But it's not just about power. The new 2002 Ti is a masterclass in handling. BMW has worked hard to give this car an old-school driving feel with modern precision. The chassis is finely tuned with adaptive dampers, a limited slip differential, and lightweight construction that keeps the car nimble. The steering is sharp, communicative, and rewarding, just like a proper BMW should be. Whether you're attacking tight corners or cruising on the open road, the 2002 Ti delivers an experience that few modern cars can match. Inside, the cabin is a perfect blend of retro charm and modern technology. The dashboard is simple and driver-focused, with analog-style digital gauges that pay homage to the original 2002. There's a minimalist yet premium feel, with high-quality materials, supportive sport seats, and a steering wheel that feels just right in your hands. But BMW hasn't forgotten about modern tech. There's a high-resolution infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium Harman Kardon sound system, and advanced driver assist features that ensure safety without taking away from the raw driving experience. Now let's talk about exclusivity. BMW knows that a car like this isn't meant to be mass-produced. The 2025 2002 Ti is a limited production model, with only around 5,000 units planned worldwide. That means getting your hands on one won't be easy, and if you do, you'll own a piece of automotive history reborn. Pricing is expected to start at around $65,000, which, considering its performance and rarity, makes it a compelling option for those who love BMW's heritage. So, who is this car for? It's for the purists, the enthusiasts, the people who appreciate a car that isn't just about getting from point A to point B, but about enjoying every second of the journey. It's for those who love the sound of a turbocharged engine, the feel of a precise manual gearbox, and the thrill of a perfectly balanced chassis. The 2025 BMW 2002 Ti isn't just another car, it's a love letter to driving itself. What do you think? Has BMW nailed it with this modern revival of the 2002 Ti? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.